For centuries, people have been fascinated by the possibility of extraterrestrial life. The idea that we're not alone in the universe has captivated the imaginations of scientists, writers, and the general public alike. But what if the aliens have already been here? What if they have interacted with us for thousands of years, shaping our evolution and history? This is the premise of the popular TV show Ancient Aliens, which explores the theory that human-alien hybrids could be roaming the Earth. The idea may sound far-fetched, but as you will see, some compelling evidence supports it. This video will explore the possibility of ancient aliens creating such hybrids and whether they might still exist on Earth today. UFO expert claims human-alien hybrids are roaming our planet. Have you ever pondered the possibility of life beyond our planet or universe? It's a thrilling and daunting thought that other beings may be out there. This notion has inspired countless science fiction tales, and movies have depicted friendly and hostile extraterrestrial life forms. Despite numerous reports of UFO sightings from around the world, we have yet to discover concrete evidence of life beyond our own planet. But now, a UFO expert has made a startling claim that might be hard to believe. According to a report from the Daily Star, Colin Saunders, an expert in aliens and UFOs, contends that extraterrestrials are interfering with human reproductive systems in order to create a legion of hybrid aliens that resemble humans. Their ultimate objective is to use this army of hybrids to conquer the Earth. It's a shocking and terrifying possibility that has the potential to upend everything we know about our place in the universe. It's a scary thought, but according to Colin Saunders, alien hybrids may already live among us, disguised as our loved ones. He says they could be our wives, husbands, and mothers-in-law. Colin believes that humans are responsible for the gradual destruction of the Earth, and aliens are desperate to take over to save the planet from certain doom. Even more unsettling is that these hybrids look just like us, making it impossible to tell them apart. Colin has even written a book about his personal experience with triangle crafts. He has spoken with numerous abductees who claim to have been taken aboard extraterrestrial ships for important missions. It's a chilling thought, but could these hybrids live among us right now? If I had to speculate, the aliens appear to have a program of kidnapping, he said. People are being taken aboard in a craft that is coming down and kidnapping them in the dead of the night. They are then laid on a table. Finally, using a probe of some kind, they extract the sperm and eggs. I have heard this tale from countless abductees, none related to one another, yet are strikingly similar in their accounts. According to his claims, a group of extraterrestrial beings possesses a hybrid genetic makeup, currently residing on our planet and interbreeding with humans. The ultimate goal of these aliens, as proposed by him, is to gradually increase their population and ultimately establish dominance over the Earth. There's an intriguing belief shared by Colin Saunders and others who are convinced that aliens are already here on Earth. After 20 years of research, UFO enthusiast Robert Palm claims to have found growing proof that these extraterrestrial beings live among us, disguised as everyday people and working regular jobs. It's an enthralling idea that could change everything we thought we knew about our world. According to Robert Palm, an experienced UFO investigator with a 20-year track record, a growing body of evidence suggests that extraterrestrial beings are already present on our planet and coexisting with us in plain sight. Palm claims these aliens are adept at blending in with human society, taking on ordinary jobs and living seemingly everyday lives. As a dedicated researcher, Palm is convinced that his findings are reliable and is committed to continuing to uncover further proof of alien presence on Earth. He claims, "There are very real signs that the world governments know more than they let the public know. It is almost a certainty. It may induce a sense of fear or unease within you. Still, it's ultimately up to your discretion whether to regard this information with skepticism or investigate further by assessing any peculiar physical characteristics of the individual you are engaging with." Skeptical perspectives of human-alien hybrids. While the hypothesis is intriguing, it's essential to consider alternative explanations for the accounts, anomalies, and stories. Skeptics argue that anecdotal evidence lacks scientific rigor and can be influenced by cultural beliefs, media, and psychological factors. It's a popular theory that aliens are already among us, but a new idea suggests they've gone further. According to an expert from Oxford University, Young-Hae Chi, aliens may have already interbred with humans to create a new hybrid species that could save Earth from the destruction caused by climate change. Chi believes there is a clear connection between alien abductions and climate change, and that even non-human species seem to be worried about the fate of humanity. It's a wild idea, but could this be the solution we've been waiting for? Chi suggests that reversing climate change could benefit our planet and provide evidence to aliens that their negative perception of human morality is unwarranted. Chi explains that aliens exist within their unique biosystem outside of human experience. He categorizes these beings into 4 distinct types: petite, tall and bold, scaly with snake eyes, and insect-like. Interestingly, Chi speculates that the insect-like aliens may be powerful and issue instructions to the other types. While these claims may seem far-fetched to some, they offer food for thought on the complex relationship between humans and the potential existence of extraterrestrial life. According to Chi, the possibility of future superintelligent aliens arriving on Earth is plausible. He believes that these extraterrestrial beings could potentially aid in solving some of the most pressing issues humanity faces, such as climate change, and save us from impending mass destruction. Chi argues that the aliens' arrival is not solely for our benefit, but for their survival. However, he emphasizes that their survival is intricately linked to our own, as they are also part of the larger biosphere. As for Chi's claims about existing alien-human hybrids, he is still searching for additional evidence to support his theory. He suggests that the hybrid project may be a response to the inevitable decline of human civilizations. What does biology say about human-alien hybrids? Science fiction has always been fascinated with the idea of human-alien hybrids, and one of the most iconic characters that comes to mind is Mr. Spock from Star Trek. He's the logical science officer of the Starship Enterprise, and his unique heritage intrigues him. But what if I told you that the possibility of real-life beings born from alien and human parents is not as far-fetched as you might think? As we inch closer and closer to colonizing other planets and discovering intelligent life on distant worlds, the prospect of humans and aliens coexisting in harmony becomes more and more tangible. Imagine a world where these two species could fall in love and have children, just like in science fiction films and comics. It's a compelling thought. So, what does the field of biology have to say about the potential for human-alien hybrids? Let's explore this mind-bending topic together and uncover the possibilities that await us in the future. To fully grasp why it is unlikely for humans and aliens to produce offspring, it is necessary to delve into some fundamental biological concepts. It's worth noting that not all organisms that share similarities can be considered part of the same species. For example, the African fish eagle and the bald eagle may appear similar, but they are separate species. However, despite the differences in appearance, all dogs belong to the same species. The determining factor in classifying a species is their ability to reproduce with one another. According to the biological species definition, organisms belong to the same species if they produce viable, fertile offspring through interbreeding. For instance, a mule is generated when a female horse and a male donkey reproduce. However, horses and donkeys are still considered different species because the mule is infertile and cannot generate offspring. Therefore, it doesn't satisfy all the requirements for a successful reproduction that includes healthy, viable, and fertile offspring. It's crucial to understand that members of the same species can interbreed, as they have a shared gene pool consisting of various gene variants. On the other hand, genes cannot be exchanged between different species. Even if organisms of different species mate and combine their DNA, their offspring will be sterile and unable to pass on their genes. Considering the vast differences between humans and aliens, it becomes clear that natural reproduction between the two is highly unlikely. While it's technically feasible to create artificial hybrids, doing so would pose significant technological, legal, and ethical challenges. The hypothesis of human-alien hybrids is a thought-provoking concept that adds to the ongoing debate about humanity's origins, interactions with extraterrestrial beings, and the mysteries that shroud our ancient past. While evidence remains speculative, the allure of the unknown continues to fuel discussions, spark curiosity, and inspire more profound exploration of the mysteries beyond our understanding. As we continue to unravel the secrets of our history and the cosmos, The concept of ancient aliens and human-alien hybrids remains a captivating enigma that invites us to consider the boundless possibilities of our existence. Please make sure to let us know your thoughts down below. Subscribe to the channel as a sacrifice to the gods of the algorithm. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.